resizing, rotating, adding or deleting the object. Inserting keyframes or frames. To insert a keyframe or a frame, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Click the frame below the number where you want to insert a frame or keyframe.
Step 2. Click the Insert menu, then Timeline option. Step 3. Select Frame or Keyframe option. Note:
You can also right-click on the required frame number and choose Insert Frame or Insert Keyframe option.
Deleting frame. To delete a frame, follow the given. Step 1. Select the frame you want to delete.
Step 2. Right-click the selected frame and click the Remove.
Layers.
Layers are like sheets of transparent paper arranged.
Each layer is a separate thing, but when you have a stack of layers, each with drawing on them, they can create. For example, you may have a background as one layer and the animated object. You can work on one layer without affecting the other.
To insert a new layer, click New Layer from the timeline. To rename a layer, select the layer and double-click on the name. Type the new name and press Enter key. To lock or unlock layers, click Lock or Unlock all layers from the timeline. A lock icon appears on the right side of all the layers. Now, select the layer which you want to unlock and click the lock icon. To show or hide layers, click Show or Hide all layers from the timeline panel. A red cross icon appears on the right side of all the layers' name. Now select the layer which you want to show. To delete a layer, select the layer and click Delete from the timeline.
Symbols. A symbol is an object created in various copies of it can be made and it can be reused. There are basically three: graphics, buttons, movie. To create a symbol, follow the given. Step 1. Select the object.
Step 2. Click the Modify menu, Convert to Symbol.
The Convert to Symbol dialog box appears.
Step 3. Type the name of the file and then choose the type of symbol. For example, Step 4. Click the OK button.
Library palette. All symbols used in a Flash movie are stored in a library palette. Creating instances. After creating a symbol, you can create instances of it by selecting the symbol from the
Practical in Computer Lab. Open a Flash document and create the symbol as shown and make many
Animating and testing a movie.
Animation refers to drawings created and compiled in a manner to show a series of drawings or images are linked together.
This creates the illusion of movement. For example, here the moon is shown at different places at each frame. Now, when this movie is played in continuation, it creates the illusion. Animation in Flash can be done in the following.
Using Create Classic, you can move an object from one point to another without changing the shape over time using Create Classic. To create an animation, follow the given. Follow the steps for layer. Step 1. Draw the scenery. And Step 2. Right-click the frame till where you want the animation to continue. For example, 30 and click on the. Follow the steps for layer. Step 3. Click the new layer from the timeline panel to insert a new layer. The layer 2 gets inserted. Step 4. Now draw the sun. Step 5. Right-click the frame till where you want the animation to continue. For example, 30 and click on the. Step 6. Right-click the first frame and select Create Classic Tween. An arrow appears. Step 7. Now select the inserted keyframe at. Step 8. Click Selection tool on the Tools panel and select the object. Step 9. When the shape of the mouse pointer changes into a double-headed arrow, drag the object Sun to test your movie. Press Ctrl plus Enter key or click Control menu, then Test Movie, then in Flash Professional option. Practical in Computer Lab. Create a flash animation to make a ball bounce using Create Classic Tween option. Guidelines. Step 1. Draw a ball using the oval tool on the top left corner of the stage. Step 2. Right-click at frame 40 and click on the Insert Keyframe option. Step 3. Right-click at frame 1 and select Create Classic Tween. Step 4. Now select frame 20 and click Selection tool on the Tools panel. Select the object Ball. Step 5. When the shape of the mouse pointer changes into a double-headed arrow, move the ball down on the stage. Step 6. Then select frame 40 and move the ball to the upper right corner of the stage. Step 7. Now test your movie and see the effect of the bouncing ball using Create Shape Tween. You can change the shape of an object over a period of time using Create Shape Tween option. To create an animation, follow the given steps.
Step 1. Change the background color of the stage and draw an object in the first frame. For example, a crescent moon. Step 2. Right-click the frame till where you want the animation to continue. For example, 40 and click on the Insert Keyframe option.
Step 3. Now delete the first object and draw another object. For example, a full moon. Step 4. Right-click the first frame and select Create Shape Tween option. You see an arrow between both the frames. Test your movie by pressing Ctrl plus Enter key and see the crescent moon changing into full moon. Practical in Computer Lab. Draw a
Frame by
rectangle
frame
and
animation
change it
means
into
creation
cuboid
of an
using
object for
Create
each
Shape
frame.
Changing into full moon. Practical in Computer Lab. Draw a
Frame by
rectangle
frame
and
animation
change it
means
into
creation
cuboid
of an
using
object for
Create
each
Shape
frame.
Tween option.
So, as to
Guidelines.
produce an
Step
animation
1.
sequence,
Draw a
this type
rectangle
of
and
animation
select the
is
frame.
used in real movies.
Step 2. Right-click
This
on
is
the
most
selected
commonly
frame
used by
and click the
cartoonists.
Insert key
To
frame.
create an animation,
Step 3.
follow the given
Delete the
steps.
rectangle and draw
Step
a
1.
cuboid.
Change the background
Step 4.
color of the
Right-click
stage
the first
and draw
frame
an
and
object
select
in
the
the first
Create
frame.
Shape Tween
For
option
example,
and then
stars.
test your movie.
Step 2.
Using frame by
Right-click the
frame.
frame till where
Frame
you
by
want
frame
the animation to
means
continue
creation
and
of
click
an
on the
object
Insert
for
each
each
frame
frame
option. So, as
Step
to
3,
produce an animation
right-click on the
sequence,
frame in
between
This type of
first
animation
and
is
last
used
frame
to make
and
real
click on
movies.
Insert Keyframe option. This is most commonly
4.
used by cartoonists.
Now,
To
make the
create an
changes
animation,
on the object
follow
in
the
this
given
frame.
steps.
That is,
Step
delete,
1. Change the
resize,
background color
rotate,
of the stage
move and
draw
change
an
color.
object in the first